Christmas is all about. Sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. Ring, 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 ding, I'm on. It's a lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Alright y'all, so today we're going to be doing an Amazon wig unboxing and I am so excited. Hey y'all, it's your girl Destiny and today I am back with another video. If you want to join the gang, just make sure you click that subscribe button down below, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so here's some details of the Amazon wig that I got. This is a wig that I ordered from Amazon. This video is not sponsored. I bought this wig with my own money. So it is a 5x5 lace closure wig. It was $89 with Amazon Prime. These wigs go up to 30 inches. The reviews are pretty good on this wig, so I hope everything turns out good. So let's start getting into this packaging. Okay, so for the price, the packaging was pretty basic. It was just a regular little plastic bag. Inside it was a wig cap, but the wig cap is like on point with my skin tone, and you know, when you're installing the wig, you actually need like something that's lighter than your skin tone, even with your makeup, because your scalp is lighter than the skin that's on your body. So yeah, let's go inside and get the wig. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see the wig, y'all. This was my first time seeing it, and yeah, let's see. So yeah, again, this is a 20-inch 5x5 lace closure wig. This is my first time installing a 5x5 lace closure wig on myself, so we're gonna see how that turns out. So this is how the wig is looking fresh out of the pack. I love the wig. It is definitely giving body yaddy 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 yaddy. Like, this wig is definitely giving body. It even got a little bounce to it. That's what I'm talking about. I love wigs that just come out the pack swinging. Like, you ain't gotta wet it and put conditioner on it to see the pattern. I love that. So here I am just taking off the net so I can get a better look at the lace. This is supposed to be a HG lace. I mean, I guess it's a HG lace. I don't know. I never had an HG lace before. I don't know. I don't really know the difference because all my lace be good. So I don't know. But yeah, this is how the knots looking. Very small, very transparent. I'm loving the lace. This is like a nice lace size for it to be a 5x5 lace closure wig. So I'm just going to give you like a far view so you can see like how it will look on my head, kind of. And now I'm just going to flip the wig inside out so you can see what it comes with inside. I believe it came with like four or five combs, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to remove the combs. I heard you are. I'm going to watch some videos on that. And it also came with 2 adjustable straps on each side of the wig, and it also had some lace in the back. I guess you just cut that off. Okay, so now let's take a look at the lace. So is this lace giving 5x5? Y'all, I mean, it is to me. This is a nice piece of lace for the wig. So let's get into the hair. Now this is the pattern. I got a body wave wig, so I can choose to wear curls or wear it straight, either one. Is it short? I don't know. We're gonna see how it looks once we put it on. I can't really determine how long or short it really looks unless I put it on. So far so good. I'm loving the hair. It is really soft, but I do have to wash the hair because the hair does smell a little bit. I'm not with that. So yeah, I'm gonna bleach the knots and everything. So now y'all, let's get into the beauty supply store haul. I am so excited for this, y'all. I went shopping for a wig install. Yeah. All right, y'all. So first thing I got was this foam head. So when I dye my wig and, you know, do whatever to it, it's easier. And to bleach my wig, I got a brush set. I believe it was like $2. And then I also got the bleaching bowl, so I don't have to use any of my dishes. I believe it was like, yeah, it was $149. Very, very cheap. And then I got a stocking cap. I'm glad I got this because the stocking cap that they sent was like too on point to my color. This is the lace glue that I'm going to be trying out today. It is latex free and it was $10.99. hopefully it's good. I haven't really used that brand before. And this is the edge wax stick that I got. This is just to help get your wig installed extremely flat. We don't want no helmet hair over here, baby. So this is a 24-hour max hold hair wax original formula edge fixer stick. Y'all, that is a lot of words. Then I got the BW2 powder. It sounds like you need something for your car. And then I got this 30 volume developer, y'all. I don't know if I was supposed to get 30. I really just picked it up. I really believe I was supposed to get 50, but we're gonna see how that turned out. Then I got this Ruby Kiss cream foundation. I see all the girls use it, so I got it. And it was buy one get one free. So yeah, I got that for the buy one get one free. And yeah, that's all I picked up from the store, guys. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. The next video I'm gonna upload is gonna be me definitely installing this wig. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and also like and comment on today's video. And I'll see you in the next upload. Peace.